Welcome to today's whiteboard session on the power of habits. Did you know that our habits play a significant role in shaping our lives? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science behind habits and learn effective strategies to build positive and productive habits. Let's get started. Let's explore effective strategies for building positive habits. Start small. For example, if you want to develop a reading habit, start with just 5 minutes of reading each day. Set clear goals. Define specific and measurable goals for your habits. Build a routine. Design a routine that supports your habit. Reward yourself. Celebrate your progress and reward yourself when you successfully adhere to your habit. Sometimes, we may also want to break negative habits that hold us back. Here are a few strategies to help break those habits. Identify triggers. By understanding the triggers, you can take steps to avoid or change them. Replace with positive alternatives. For example, if you want to stop snacking on unhealthy food, replace it with a healthier snack option. Get support. Seek support from friends, family, or a community that can help you stay accountable and provide encouragement. Habits shape our lives in profound ways. By understanding the science behind habits and implementing effective strategies, we can build positive and productive habits that propel us towards our goals and aspirations.